So today we're out here in Milwaukee at a 4-unit apartment complex. The customer wanted security system installed. So what we did for him was a 3-camera unit, camera in the front to cover all of the front entrance, street, and the front of the building. And then in the back, we also have a 180-degree camera that covers the whole entire back, parking lot, and some. What we ended up doing was coming in from the basement, coming out with conduit, and bringing it right over to the J boxes, which hold the cameras right up front. The 180-degree camera is fully decked out. It has sirens, it has deterrent lights. All of our cameras have motion detection, completely decked out. He's covered from head to toe as far as the building goes. The last camera is gonna be inside to cover the mailbox, the entrance from the inside, and a little bit of the upstairs to cover some of those units, like the little mini hallway that's in there. If you guys have any interest in any type of system set up like that, give us a call and we could hook you up.